Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can permanently delete a folder or a file in Windows 11. So guys, it's very simple. First of all, you have to select a folder or a file which you want to delete permanently. In my case, it's a folder which you are seeing in front of you. All you have to select it, then you need to press a shift button from your keyboard and a delete button. By pressing it together, you will see an option which said you want to delete that folder permanently. Then you have to tap on yes, and your folder is gone for lifetime. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.